Everybody, Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. This is a go anywhere, do anything boat that's great for the entire family, great for short trips during the day, or if you want to go on a long trip to the Bahamas, you've got everything you need. This boat's powered by twin 400 horsepower Mercury Verado engines with joystick piloting, makes it extremely maneuverable around the dock. Also has built-in autopilot. It's going to be one of the easiest boats you're out there in this size range to handle. In the transom, we've got this really neat entertainment area. So this boat comes complete with a summer kitchen where we've got a grill, we've got a pull-out refrigeration system here, and then another refrigerated door in the cockpit as well. This will keep all your food and drinks nice and cold and easily at your fingertips. Great place to entertain, and when you want to fish, we've got a live well in here as well. The boat is loaded up with features like a side dive door, and we're going to check out some really neat convertible seating. Right now, I've got the port side set up as a rear-facing lounge, which is really cool, and this will easily convert into a forward-facing lounge. Or if you want to have lunch, we can convert it into a beautiful little dinette with a built-in table. How's that for convenience, entertainment, comfort? We come up here to the helm and we've got a nice adjustable port side companion seat that will adjust up and down. It's got some flip-up bolsters as well. At the helm, we've got a nice captain's chair with an ergonomically designed helm, joystick, throttles, steering system, Simrad full function display, which includes all your navigation, engine data, boat system lighting, everything at your fingertips. If we look in this compartment here, we've got a large head area, which is air conditioned, by the way. We also have an air conditioned helm station with AC vents up here, also at the helm, and as good as it gets, a berth down here, which is also air conditioned as well. Get out of the heat, let the kids take a nap, relax a little bit. As we come up forward to the bow, we've got this huge windshield opening here, which is nice and easy to deal with. It's nice and secure when you're running, easy to close when you want some protection. And of course, we've got the bow seating up here, great for the whole family. We've got tables that pop in here for entertainment, maybe a little lunch up at the bow. This is a beautiful boat for you and your entire family. Come on down to MarineMax and check it out. You can give me a call at 904-545-5310 and schedule a sea trial today.